Hey again, guys, it's GuardWolf21 with your vaping review here. So, this is part 2 of the 8 flavors I have. We're going to do 2 more flavors today by the Innova. This is Blackberry. We're going to run on the Stingray, Tobe. This is actually a dual coil up in there. It's actually running on a 0.6. So we're going to try this out. See what we got going on here. The vapor, cloud-wise, I'd give about 2, 2.5. The flavor, it tastes exactly like a blackberry. It's not too bad, not too sweet. It's like if you went to a grocery store and started eating a few blackberries. To me, that's what the flavor profile is in this. It's pretty decent. It'd probably be really good in a tank because it is 6 mg. But yeah, it tastes exactly like a blackberry that you'd get from the store. Like I said before, I don't like them calling it smoke juice. They should have called it something else. Premium e-liquid. I said that before in my last video. I'm unhappy with them calling it that. So, for our next one, and by the way, there is a little bit of a throat hit there with the dripper. So, for our next one, we're actually going to do Melon. It smells like a watermelon, but it looks like a cantaloupe, but it smells like a watermelon. Alright, let's try this one. And to me, even though like I said, even though it looks like a cantaloupe to y'all, does that look like a cantaloupe to you? It looks like a cantaloupe to me. But it actually tastes like a watermelon. It's a really good watermelon, actually. Compared to some of the watermelons I have had, that is a decent watermelon flavor. The vapor, like I said, is about 2, 2.5. Not even close to a 3. The flavor is right there, though. If you like watermelon, that's really good. I mean, like I said, this must have come from, even though it came from China and I won it off of Rockstar Vapes on YouTube, it has to come from like a convenience store, like a gas station in China or something. But for a premium e-liquid, I mean, that flavor is spot on. It's exactly what it should be. It smells like a watermelon, but it's supposed to be like a cantaloupe, but it tastes like exactly like a watermelon. It's really decent. I mean, I wouldn't suggest you ordering some from China. If you have a chance to try it out, if you win it somewhere, then go ahead and try it. I mean, at least try this one, the Melon, because it tastes like a watermelon. And the Blackberry tastes like a blackberry. So, in all, these 2 flavors are actually really good. Especially in 6 mg. These flavors, the Blackberry I would think would pull out really good in the tank better than a dripper. But I could actually drip this one, I believe, the watermelon, the melon, on the dripper. I don't use the dripper that much, but to me, I could actually pull it off. Because it's not too much, the melon's not too much of a throat hit to me. But I appreciate y'all, and thank you again, Rockstar. We have 4 more left to review. So, we'll see you next time. This is GuardWolf21 with your Vaping Review.